man on the moon is Neil Armstrong, whoever he is. That state it's real.
Honey!
On.
Actually, it is a very deep breakthrough to our country.
Ooh,
Why?
commercial.
Because we had first men who stepped on the moon. Actually, it is true, why? Because they have pictures while Armstrong is on the moon, and also, I will watch the launching of their rocket. And FYI, honey, they are live broadcasting while Neil Armstrong was presenting on the moon. So, stop saying that they're just making fool out of us.
So you just heard the final message from our President Nixon. So there you have it. Again, like from Kennedy Space Center, the press conference for the success of Apollo 11. Good day.